I guess another trip, another adventure. And basically what I decided to do is to go back to a place that I've been probably a couple of years ago, where I basically went to photograph this road, which is kind of enveloped in these trees. And I do have a version of this image on my website, which is basically I photographed in autumn, so it has this beautiful morning light, all these leaves, all this kind of what would you say, sort of like a fall vibe and things like that. And because the winter, and now that we have a shitloads of snow, what I decided to do is to go back to the same place and take the same image, the same composition basically, but with a winter vibes, so to speak, with the snow on the road, trees covered in snow and so on. I don't know how it's gonna look, I don't know what the conditions are at that place. We'll see once I'll get there. But yeah, hopefully this is going to be a successful shoot, because the weather conditions are absolutely insane. It's almost a whiteout here on a motorway. So yeah, wish me luck with that. I'll see you there. Right, so the image that I was talking about is just behind me, and it's basically, as I was saying, is this road leading in a distance, and it's kind of enveloped with these trees. You have this kind of a tunnel effect. The problem though is that well, I expected a bit more snow, and I don't have it. I thought that the trees are going to be covered in way more snow than I have here, so not ideal, but oh well, what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm just snap that picture anyway, and I'll see what I can do at home. So yeah, so let me talk you through my settings here. As you see, I chose my aperture f11, and I am focusing about a third of the way my composition on that tree on my left hand side, and yeah, here we go. Right, so this is going to be a bit of an experiment, which is basically that I found these I don't know what you call them, it's kind of snow pillows, it's what I like to call them. It's basically these grass and these bumps on the ground all covered in snow, and you kind of have these interesting patterns and things going on in this field. And I'll try to go down to their level with my 16 wide angle lens and try to capture. I don't know if it's gonna be any good, but I'll give it a shot anyway. All I need to do is to stay upright and don't get stuck in the snow, because I'm almost knee deep here. Yeah, so okay, let's try. We're getting snowed upon here a bit. It's getting fun. Time to bail. Look at this! So quickly, one more image, and basically what I have here is essentially the same concept as my previous image, which is essentially this road leading to the distance, and there are these like trees and bushes from both sides, and it's snowing quite heavily, and I was walking towards my car, so I thought, the hell with it, I'll take one more snap, and I think it's gonna be good. So that's basically my image, and again I'm going for f11, and I am focusing about a third into my composition here on trees, and here we go. Right, so I guess I'm gonna have to call it a day and bail out. I'm gonna have to go home because it's snowing quite heavily. I can't see much. I'm losing light. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Share, subscribe, all of these things, and I'll see you on my next one. See ya.